Jai Jagannath. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Wise Owl. Today I will be explaining about Lord Jagannath and the Jagannath temple. So let's get started. Lord Jagannath. Lord Jagannath is a deity worshipped by Hindus. Jagannath is a Sanskrit word compounded of Jagat meaning universe and Nath meaning Lord. Thus, Jagannath means Lord of the universe. He is an avatar of Vishnu and he is a part of a triad along with his siblings Balabhadra and Subhadra. Now, let's know about the Jagannath temple. The Jagannath temple is massive. It is 61 meter or 200 feet high. This temple is included in the four dhams and it has been one of the major pilgrimage sites for Hindus since about 800 CE. This temple looks beautiful, but it has many mysteries in it. So, let's look at 5 unsolved mysteries of the temple, which are: the flag at the top of the temple always floats in the opposite direction of the wind. No birds or plane fly above the temple. The temple does not have any shadow. The Prasad mystery. And the last and final one, Lord Jagannath has a real heart within him. So let's go on with the first one, which is the flag always floats in the opposite direction of the wind. The flag placed on top of the temple flows in the opposite direction of the wind. It brings the scientific reasoning to halt, and we tend to believe that there is some force more powerful than science. Did you know? The flag changes on a daily basis. It is said that if the flag is not changed on any day, then the whole temple will be locked for 18 years. Now we'll go on with the second mystery, which is no birds or planes fly above the temple. The Jagannath temple is declared as a no-flying zone, so it explains why planes do not fly above it. But nobody knows the reason why birds do not fly above the temple, and nobody has seen the birds fly above it. Now we'll go on with the third mystery, which is the temple does not have any shadows. The temple is built in a very scientific way, that the shadow falls in such a way that it is not visible to others. The shadow which falls on the dome is hidden by the structural build of the temple. And the shadow of the main dome of Jagannath temple is not visible whatever be the time of the day. Now we'll go on with the fourth mystery, which is the Prasad mystery. Nothing goes wasted in the Jagannath temple. Depending on the day, records state that 2,000 to 20,000 devotees visit the temple, but the quantity of the prasad, which is cooked in the temple, remains the same throughout the year. Yet, the prasad never gets wasted or is insufficient in any given day. Now, let's get to the cooking technique of the prasad. Clay pots are actually used to make the prasad. 7 pots are used for this and they are placed on top of one another. The interesting thing here is that the prasad on the topmost pot gets cooked first and the pots are only used once. And then for the next day, new pots are used. Now we'll go with the fifth mystery, which is Lord Jagannath has a real heart within him. To explain this mystery, I will say the following story, which is as follows. One day, Lord Krishna was sitting on a river bank when a hunter named Jara attacked him, thinking him as a deer. Realizing his mistake, Jara performed the last ritual as per the Hindu tradition and burnt Lord Krishna, but every body part burnt, but only Lord Krishna's heart was left. Jara took the heart and threw the heart in the river, and the heart reached Puri, where it was kept inside Lord Jagannath. It is said that every 12 years the idol statue has to be changed and the heart is kept into the new statue, and during this process the electricity is cut off in the whole city of Puri so that nobody sees the heart. As you can see in this particular picture, the priest who puts the heart inside the idol is also blindfolded and the hands are covered with a red cloth. The Rath Yatra. The Rath Yatra is celebrated every year during the rainy season in Odisha, which falls in the month of June or July. The Rath Yatra is dedicated to Lord Jagannath, his elder brother Balabhadra and his sister Subhadra. Before Rath Yatra, the idols are bathed with 108 buckets of water, which is known as Snana Purnima. Then the gods are believed to be ill and are kept for isolation for 15 days. Once they recover, that is when we celebrate Rath Yatra. So here is a following picture of the Rath Yatra. This is Lord Jagannath's Rath. This is Devi Subhadra's Rath, and this is Balabhadra's Rath. So thank you everyone. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please forgive me for any mistakes that I have done, and please do like, share and subscribe and comment down below what you want to see next. Thank you.